Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap, deli, local, and long-distance movers near me. Finding the ideal cheap deli moving company ought to be really easy. Opting for 3 Movers means you receive the local or long-distance moving services you want. We supply the most suitable services for any type of move, whether residential or commercial. Our team works with veterans, students, properties owners, entrepreneurs, tenants, and anyone else trying to move. If you want to move your company or your house, our team is prepared to help you. Our qualified movers know how to ensure your long distance move doesn't involve all the stress. We'll help you relocate to the next state over or all the way across the USA. By having the best moving services to help you, any relocation, big or small, becomes so much easier. Hiring us provides you easy access to all of the necessary moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to justify the price when choosing a California moving company. A deeper look at the benefits you receive from a local moving company may help you recognize why it's a practical option. You can certainly save time with your local move when you work with a moving company. Movers can also make sure you don't need to stress over injury, since you won't need to do any heavy lifting. Our moving crew will make it simple to get to your new location without nearly as much worry. 3 Movers knows how to streamline your move. We can complete even the biggest moves in only a couple of hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our deli moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.